Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top programming languages to learn in 2023, particularly post the introduction of ChartGPT into the world of software development. But before we get started, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of the future videos. Without any further ado, let's dive into it. Now, we firstly focus on Simple Learn, which is a world-renowned software development institution. Now, with Simple Learn, if you look, their list goes like this, where there is JavaScript, there is Python, there is Go, there is Java, and there is Kotlin as the top 5 programming languages. And this is a very nice article from Simple Learn. This is an article by Shruti. Now, if you check here, they have listed C and C++ at number 11, C# at number 7. This is not very bad, I think, for C#, because it's one very much versatile programming language. But however, what this article by Mr. Shruti says, it says that in a nutshell, it indicates that the best programming language to learn in 2023 are mainly JavaScript, Python, Go, Java, and Kotlin in the top 5. But if you can check here in terms of how these languages have been ranked, you just can see that JavaScript is the most popular language here. And I hope maybe it is because JavaScript is used for both client-side and server-side web development. I think that is the main reason. But further than that, I think it is because JavaScript, it is easy to learn if you check, because here it has been ranked with the world household names, if you can check. So I think one major reason why it's at the top of the list is because maybe it is easy to learn, And if you look at Java here has been listed at number 4. And this article also indicates that an experienced Java developer can be able to earn around 112,152 US dollars annually. This article also indicates that beginners should also learn HTML, CSS, to define, just to ensure that their web development skills are harnessed. So here, if you check at Simple Learn, JavaScript is ranks first, number 2 Python, number 3 Go, number 4 Java, and number 5 Kotlin. So PHP is at number 6. Now let us look at our second publication of the top programming languages that one would have to learn from GeeksForGeeks.org. This is a globally respected a programming institution as well, where they also conduct a lot of training. Aha! If you can check on their list, again, JavaScript ranks first on their list, you know, and Python is number 2, Java is number 3, TypeScript, surprise, surprise, it's number 4, C and C++, there you go. Now, C and C++, on this particular publication, they have made it at least to the top 5. But in a nutshell, this article discusses the most popular programming languages to learn in 2023. It further provides an overview of programming languages and the procedural languages that one may have to learn in 2023. This article further highlights the 5 best programming languages, as you may have seen here. What I love is that the person who actually wrote this particular article, which is Vanishka, she aimed at aspiring developers to choose the right language to learn based on career perception, future demands, business requirements, and language features. So she is a very much experienced journalist who actually have written a very nice article. If you would check, JavaScript is number 1, Python is number 2, Java is number 3, TypeScript is number 4, C and C++, they make it to just about the top 5. C# is number 6, PHP is number 7, but the PHP really, it is not a dead language. PHP, it's one language that one can still learn in 2023. Let us look at what the Forbes publications say, So this article, it's written by Alejandro Osis, also a world-renowned writer. Now, on the Forbes publication, Python ranks first. And in my view, this is not a surprise. And JavaScript is number 2. Java is number 3. C++ is number 4. Aha! PHP is number 5. And I have to agree. I have to confess to my viewers and subscribers that I strongly agree with this particular list. Even though there is a thin line in terms of demand between Python and JavaScript, but I still agree with the list of the top 5 most programming languages in demand in 2023. And because Python, if you can be honest, Python is a versatile language that can be used for various purposes, including data analysis and automation of daily tasks. JavaScript, of course, which is at number 2 on our list, it also remains popular due to its flexibility. And Java, where is Java? Here at number 3. It's also a reliable language for building business software, mobile applications, and web pages. And C++ as well, which is at number 4, it's also ideal for creating animations and all that, and web and personalized web layout content, so on and so forth. With this list, please do indicate what your thoughts are on the comment section below. Now let us move on to the last publication of the most in-demand programming languages to learn in 2023. And according to Turing, if you can check here, this article was last updated on the 26th of April 2023. And, let us look at the best programming language to learn in 2023. Where is the ranking? I may have gone past. Yeah. Oh, again. Python is number 1 on this list. Java is number 2. JavaScript is number 3. TypeScript is number 4. PHP is number 5. So you just can see from what we've seen so far that there is a very strong demand for both Java and Python to learn in as far as this particular publication is concerned from Turing.com. However, I would have loved at least JavaScript to be at number 2, but of course it depends on one's project requirements. If you read this particular article, it indicates that the demand for software developers is expected to increase by 22% in 2022 and 2030, which makes it important to learn a popular programming language. This article discusses different levels of types of programming languages and the tools used to measure their popularity. And this list is very, very interesting to our viewers and to our subscribers, because Python is just at the very top. Java is number 2, JavaScript is number 3, TypeScript 4, and PHP 5. And so this is very good. If you can look at how these programming languages have been ranked by Forbes: Python 1, JavaScript 2, Java 3, C++ 4, and PHP 5. I would have to agree more with the ranking by Forbes, and at least, but even this one, it's not very bad. Please do indicate on the comment section below as to what your thoughts are, and please do not forget to subscribe and to hit the like button and to share this video. Thank you very much. Take care.